Hi everyone and happy June. This is your June 2023 update on behalf of San Bernardino County Department of Behavioral Health. The purpose of this video is to provide you with important updates and reminders. As a recap, May was an incredible month highlighting mental health awareness. DBH joined the National Alliance on Mental Illness to celebrate the theme More Than Enough. This year's theme affirmed the idea that people are worthy of life, love, and healing, no matter what they look like and no matter where they are in their journeys. In honor of May Mental Health Awareness Month, DBH hosted events to educate the public about mental health, reduce stigma, and provide support. Nearly 400 people attended the events, including the Directing Change Awards ceremony on May 11th at the Cinemark Theater in Rialto, the Resilient and Real Summit on May 17th in Rancho Cucamonga, and the Meet the Artists on May 20th in Redlands. To view all of the photos for each of these events, please visit celebratemhm.com. DBH is happy to announce that Everwell Healing Community Enclave Services, providing enhanced board and care services to our county San Bernardino consumers, will be effective on July 11, 2023. There will be 24 beds throughout multiple sites to assist adult consumers aged 18 to 59 who are transitioning from locked residential treatment facilities back to the community. Services include care and supervision, transportation, daily treatment groups, and educational groups that promote and encourage the development of life skills. By the end of this year, 2023, new federal dollars will support an expanded mobile crisis response benefit for Medi-Cal beneficiaries. This benefit includes expanding the mobile crisis response service availability to 24/7, use of a standardized dispatch tool to determine when a field response is safe and warranted, and emphasizes care coordination and follow-up check-ins to ensure improved outcomes for consumers in crisis. DBH is currently in the planning process of implementing this new Medi-Cal benefit. The Community Outreach and Support Team COAST program continues to garner interest from fire and law enforcement partners, whose communities benefit from this multidisciplinary response team. COAST unites a DBH triage engagement and support team test behavioral health professional, a firefighter, emergency medical technician, and a plainclothes and specialty trained police officer, and a therapy canine to deliver specialized responses to behavioral health crisis calls in the community. While COAST services are only accessible through 911 calls dispatched to law enforcement, DBH wanted to share these efforts with this audience as evidence of ongoing collaborative partnerships with local law enforcement and fire agencies. Community Connections is a part of the Clubhouse and Community Connections program that works to connect consumers to meaningful contributions in their community. These contributions can range from paid employment, volunteerism, education, and peer support. Employment service specialists take referrals from programs, community members, and self-referrals, and are accessible to all regions of the county. Currently, the program is supporting 93 individuals in realizing the value that they bring to their communities and obtaining the connections that they choose as part of their wellness goals. The Mental Health Service Act MHSA 3-year integrated plan for fiscal year 2023-24 to 2025-26 is scheduled to be presented to the Board of Supervisors at a June board date. The plan highlights the progress and accomplishments of the MHSA programs and changes for the next 3 years. These programs serve to reduce health disparities through behavioral health education, promotion of healthy lifestyles, outcome-based services, and increased collaboration between and among providers and community-based organizations. Thank you to everyone who provides MHSA-funded services. As a brief overview, the plan includes 17 program changes and enhancements that will increase services to 3,603 residents in fiscal year 23-24, with additional increases in residents served over the remaining fiscal years of the plan. An estimated 440,000 individuals across all MHSA components will be served over the course of 3 years. The Resilience Promotion in African American Children program released an RFP in March of 2023. Based on feedback from the community, the program was expanded to accommodate a wider service area to serve additional children and their families. We appreciate the continued support for this program. The expanded service areas are Barstow, Rancho Cucamonga, Fontana, and Rialto, and will result in services to approximately 3,135 additional children and their families. Some reminders and important upcoming dates. The quarterly compliance for contractors meeting will be held on Thursday, July 27th on WebEx. Reminder to submit your annual attestations to compliance per your contract requirements. For contractors, please complete your monthly exclusion and sanction screening of all employees prior to hire and monthly thereafter. For contractors, don't forget to report discovered overpayments and to conduct regular internal auditing of claims to ensure coding accuracy and service verification. In June, DBH will celebrate Men's Health Week. The department's podcast, Resilient and Real, will highlight men's mental health in upcoming episodes, so be sure to subscribe to the podcast today. Resilient and Real is available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, iHeartRadio, or wherever you get your podcasts. As always, thank you for the incredible work that you do to serve our communities.